so I've taken the first lecture on the CS50 course, and it was about 1 hour 45 minutes. And I think what I can still remember is this person was just teaching us on how to use this platform, right? Made by MIT, the one which you drag and drop, and that's the way we should be programming. And he was saying that that's kind of like a way we are going to learn some other stuff. Even talking, I can't remember all of those things because hey, I was sleepy. I was even dozing while I was taking the tutorial, because it's been a long time since I attended lectures and fully concentrated to them, because I've been binge watching movie series. But that's something which I know I need to get rid of and cancel for me to just improve in my skill learning. So on the topic on learning with the Harvard X course, which is the introduction to computer science, yeah, it's going to be a difficult one, but I'm just going to try, because when I was just looking under the resources, yeah, before I click the next button right on week 0, it seems like there was another another video course below, right? Yeah, so I'm just going to check that one out, and I will see how it goes. So guys, bye for now, and I think I'm just going to try the exercise later after watching the other 2 hours, so it's more like 4 hours, just imagine. But yeah, I'm just going to try it out, because the only way I'm going to know about it is through trying out. So guys, bye for now. If you like the content which I'm publishing on this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, just for a token of appreciation. Then you get notified when I upload any videos. Yeah, and we'll just create a community. We are going to be sharing, maybe on this YouTube or maybe other platform. You just decide in the comment section. So guys, bye for now. This is Mbonis Mutunzi on Learn with Mbonis. Cheers.